Hi, this is Manny Castro, exercise physiologist. In this clip, I will demonstrate strengthening exercises for the front of the shoulders using a regular household chair and dumbbells, or again, as explained in the previous clip, a pair of empty milk jugs, and you can fill them with water to your required resistance or your preferred resistance. Now for this exercise, once again, you want to sit down in your chair with your back to the backing of the chair, nice and straight back, your abdominals nice and tight, your feet are flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart, and you'll bring your arms down. Now this time your palms will be facing back instead of facing inside the way they were in the previous exercise. What you'll do is you'll raise your arms up straight in front of you and you'll hold them for about a second. And then you want to put your arms right back down using a nice slow count of 3. And all the repetitions you do with all these exercises, you'll want to use a nice slow count of 3 to come up, and then a nice slow count of 3 to come down. Remember at the top of the movement to hold it for about a second. Once again, when you complete your 8 to 12 repetitions, you will rest 2 to 3 minutes and then complete another set, or even 2 to 3 sets after that.